Right, across the road there, that's the old site of the Melingriffith Works. I've come along today now to have a better look at this air raid shelter. The only thing is, it's a little bit overgrown, so I've got to try and fight my way through. Here we are. Well, there it is. Right, that's a small hole. I'm hoping to get in there. Let's get me torch out. Let's have a look here. Oh my god. Looks like a bit of a tight squeeze. I want to get in there, but I no, I don't know. Well, he looks about 4 foot high in there. I'll have to switch off a minute and try and get in. Well, I got in here. It's a bloody tight squeeze. Right, let's get down to the middle because it looks a bit higher. It's a bit creepy in here, to be quite honest. Fucking hell. Ooh. Can't see any rats. It's bloody hard work. Right, here we are. Surprised they haven't filled this in. Yeah. It's about 6 foot wide, that. I don't know, what length would you say this was? A quick calculated guess. I don't know. I'd say it's about 100 feet long. Fuck, it stinks in here as well. I guess that's a air hole. It stinks in here. Right, let's get back up that end to get out. I hope I don't knock myself out down here. I don't think anyone will ever find me. Oops, bang my head. Shit. Yeah, let's have another look because I won't be coming here again. Yeah. Right, let's try and get out. Shit. Out. Right. Oh. Oh. That was hard work. Well, there we are. I did it. Apparently, there's another one of these shelters just over here. But it was filled in years ago. I think the shelter's still there. Underground. Anyway, whew. Let's catch my breath back. Well, that's the way up to get into that entrance where I just went into. I'll take you to the other end now. That's the other end. Just get down by there now and have a little look. It's a bit of a tight squeeze this end. Let's get the torch. There we are. Yeah, it's got to be about 100 foot long. Like I said, that housing estate, that's where the old factory used to be. Where my car is, that was the entrance into the works.